So after that, it can be like many members are dying. After operation, there is no here cut will be there. For example, one cut will be there. So they will be having shyness. Like one mark is there, they will ask like operation is there, something happened. Like this if you are using like natural and there is no side effects, nothing will be there. So if you are, according to my new idea, no mark will be there. So they will feel okay. So you use this one for suturing after my operation. For suturing they are using this one. So no marks will be there. So they can be. They can go in full confidence. They can go anywhere like no shyness operation. Like that. This was my one of the idea which came to my mind that I have to execute now. But I have to do some process. Like after this, like projects are being to do. I can experiment it on rat skin and whether it will work like that. But this is not done actually. Anyway, it is not done.
It is not done in Ayurveda also?
No. Yeah, it is not done. I got some idea and I made a search like anywhere it is used. This can be used for making some synthetic thread. No, normal not thread. Suture thread is different, other thread is different. Fiber. This fiber can be used for paper type. They are using paper, tissue. They are using. But
strong, one is strong.
Tensile strength is more, no, sir. So it can be that you won't cut.
Was it any tested by some other research work? Was the strength tested?
Tensile strength is tested. Tensile strength is it is something. Tensile is not properly known by me, but it is having very good tensile strength. For this tensile strength, how much we record, we can find out afterwards. Because it is just my idea. Innovative idea is just, I got one idea, I made. But I have to do some extra process.
Thread is used for any other purpose?
Thread is not used, I think, but the fiber, this picture is there, one fiber is there. The fiber will be like, first it will be like paper only will be there. And if it is not dried properly, it is tissues and like rough papers. And some will, basically this only they are used to make curry and all. That like paper type will be there. Which one? Paper you can easily, that is the outer part. This is that one first I told in Cavendish, inside lignin will be there. So it will be like very strong. In other, sir told, sir asked, like other species like kadali, that and all. In that also will be there. That we in my home tota is there. So I can just sense it is very delicate. This Cavendish will be like, it is used actually many gym people will be Cavendish fruit.
When the reaction cell is there, no?
Yes, sir.
And they go for the process, don't you think that there will be confusion?
No, sir. Actually, it will be developed in such a way that all the errors are reduced. It's an idea for development of such a device. So while developing, we'll reduce all the errors. What will be there?
Like how it flows, sample,
Now,
the quantity of sample, and from there.
It will be priorly adjusted in that machine. How much sample should be taken, how much reagent should be taken, and how it should process. All will be already
Reagent
present.
when it goes low, how you verify that which is going
Like
to process?
this is one test tube, no sir. It will turn one by one. So it's a process, continuous process. Like reagents are already here, one reagent. Sample
So
what? One sample at a
not
time.
together.
No, one sample at a time. So in all these tubes are sample and reagents. One sample will go a little amount of and
At a time only one
reagent.
it will go, right?
Yes, sir. So like that.
Sample, alkaloids, glycosides, flavonoids present. So only one sample can keep it.
Now one more thing is like after it goes processed here, is there any process of cleaning that particular
Yes,
surface?
tearing of device is there. After the tear button, the device will be wholly clear. Then we have to again add the reagents and we have to set our device.
So it will take time.
No, like the tubes are that for like 15 days we can use this machine. After that we are tearing our device. Then we have to again refill our device.
Say no, the concern is one sample will go from here, one.
No, while describing it
So
so much,
will,
no sir.
reaction will happen here,
Yes.
right? After reaction, this surface whether we are cleaning,
Yes sir.
when? That time only?
This surface, yeah. For that also tearing is there. In this method you can see we have
So
collected
that
the
is
sample.
automatic process or manual?
Automatic process. Like we have to press one button. This cell will be teared clearly. Like it will be clear.
Using water or neither mode?
Water.
What type of reaction
So
takes place here?
water flow is there in this machine? Where is the water flow?
That I have not, but this is a rough diagram of my idea. While developing, there might be so many errors, so many difficulties that I have to overcome. This is my basic idea of
See,
like this
Your
one
great
thing.
idea, primary concern is to reduce time. Right?
Yes, sir.
So when you target reducing time, all these things will come to the picture.
Yes,
like
sir.
the surface cleaning, timing. If it is automated process, fine. Time will reduce. If you are doing manual, then no
No,
use.
not manual
Traditional-
cleaning. Actually, there are machines in which we are tearing by using water. There are already machines. So by using that method, limping that, we can also create something like that. While pressing button, the machine will be teared. Clear.
Good, work on it. Okay. So you are taking assistance from technical team.
Pressure is very high and skin health is also very high. So my team in pharmaceutics under cosmetic science has developed this, that is the development of nano-emulsion antioxidant cream from herbal extract. The drug is Cretiva Magna. You can see the objectives we have mentioned here, that is the methanolic extraction. We are extracting it using methanol and then we will convert it into nano-emulsion. And then we are formulating it into cream. Okay? Directly we are not using the nano-emulsion, we are converting it into a cream. Formulation is the cream. And then we are going to study the antioxidant properties. That is the main objective of this research project. And you can see the materials and the technology over here. That's in detail about the procedure, that is the nano-emulsions, cream base, evaluation of the cream. Then you can see here the advantages. The main advantage over here is the bioavailability this drug is possessing and the nano-emulsion is possessing. And also the permeation can be increased by using the nano-emulsion. The main focus is on the nano-emulsion.
Okay, how it is different from blue and lolly? Parallel is how it is
No sir,
different.
it's not relating like that.
No, how it is different.
Different.
Yes.
This is for oxidation. Like skin may cause normal skin, your skin, my skin, everyone's skin may cause oxidation. That is, our body is containing water, right? 60% of our body is containing water. And water is having hydrogen and oxygen molecules. These oxygen molecules get oxidized. So there is a formation of free radicals. That causes the damage of the skin.
Okay. So what is the application? How it is used?
It is all used topically, sir, as a cream. For face, any other hands, legs.
So already this type of products are there, no? How it is new?
From this drug, many studies has not been done yet. It is yet to recover. Like for topically, it is not done yet. And for orally, you can see urolithiasis, diuretics, kidney stones and all they are used. For topically, we are thinking to patent this one.
Where these limbs are available?
We have got it from one of our ma'am's friend. From DC here, DC road.
This road. So it is available in only this road?
She got it from somewhere else for her PhD project time. And she planted it here.
What active ingredients present in that?
Cretiva Magna we are extracting.
What constituents? It shows antioxidant activity. Cretiva Magna is the entire this one.
Entire herb we are extracting with methanol.
So what are the side effects?
So this antioxidant cream while topically applying it is having very less side effects. Unless it is used very
Okay, very less is there, no? There will be few points.
rare, very rare. Unless it is used
But
very
still, that
excessive.
rare. 0.01, what is the side effect?
Maybe skin rashes. Rare, very rare, not possible. This is has to be done with. We are planning to do this. My final year project is.
Use your
Yes, sir, we are kept it for training.
Have you used, anybody used this?
In our batch.
Is applied? No. So now you are justifying your.
Sir, on antioxidant property study has been done. So we are doing the formulation, that is nanoparticle formulation.
Have you done any study so far? Practical study have you done? Or you are based on the properties you are predicting it?
Predicted, sir, based on the property.
Now that leaf you have what? Next step, will you process it?
So actually skin studies has been not done on this plant extract, but oral formulation PhD project, one of my friends is doing antioxidant for the nephrotoxicity and the hepatotoxicity. She had done the study with this particular leaf. Less studies have been done on this particular skin, but they have data that it is having the, it is used for the skin also. Yeah. Anti-aging property, antioxidant property. So we are planning to develop a nano-emulsion cream.
Main highlight is nano. Like particle size will be
After
less.
developing the cream, whom you will use?
Everyone can use no.
The first trial.
First,
Goat skin we are trying.
skin study we are doing.
Formulation study on goat skin will be.
So goat skin and human being skin is same.
Comparatively, we can do the test like we are using
Irritation
dogs
we can predict, no sir, but still we can apply rat skin we can study. Then after that we can study for period.
Right.
Right.
Good.
Class and it's in divided into this is AI generated classes and it's of two types. And first one is for blinds. For all these people, not everyone knows Braille script, right? So it would this virtual reality glass could recognize the things that is present in front of them and could describe about if it's a newspaper, it could describe what is present in the newspaper and could tell. And that for whatever, if car is present in, then it would say that how the angle of car and everything, how it looked and everything. And next one is for people just like me. I can give an example. I am diagnosed with PCOS and I have this temptation for food, and my doctor said that I should avoid junkies, but I could not because of the temptation. And so this glass will show that like things that we want to eat, like biryani and other junkies, so we could feel that that is real, and we could sense that yeah, we are eating. If in front of us it will be a simple rice, but we could sense and we could feel like that it is realistic, and we could feel like yeah, we are eating that. And so it can be a good beneficial for the temptation or control of food, like junkies and everything. And
Okay, one simple thing, how it is connected to brain. Because emotion comes from brain. Sir will explain in a better manner.
I mean, if we watch,
If I want to feel that, okay, if when normal rice is there, if I want to feel like it is biryani or tikka, that should come from my brain.
yeah, I mean, like we are watching a 3D movie, so we accept that it is real, and we could feel that yeah, we are
Sense
in
or
a,
correct?
yeah, we could sense.
So you want to
it's
say
like-
that it is like a 3D technology?
Yeah, it connected with like
Now there is a biryani which you are not supposed to eat. So with this, what do you expect?
we could feel that it's like a biryani. We could sense that.
Good sense. And you get a feeling.
Yeah, we get
Only thing is you are
feeling,
not eating it, but you get a feeling of the taste and
taste and everything when we eat.
No, eating normal rice.
eating not like
correct.
rice, but getting
No,
a feeling
that
of
too.
Also biryani.
So to get a feel, my concern is it should like, our brain should give that feel.
Yes,
We
correct.
feel like it's real. That is called virtual reality. So it will be better. For
Then
people
about the
who
taste.
Might feel like yeah, it might.
Taste
feel-
is different. No?
Yeah, we could feel that yeah, we are eating something.
You mean to say this is only for the blind or anyone?
No, this is for blind and this is for people who have
So
temptation.
as you said, blind can see or sense.
No, this is the two different glasses. I've
Okay,
described.
there blind can see.
Both are AI incorporated glasses.
Okay.
For this one is for blinds then they can like describe things. So many of them doesn't know that about the script and all. So they could describe this glass could describe what is present in front of them.
So with the
That
speaker,
earlier that one. The before first one you told, no? What is the concept of that?
This one.
Yeah, this one. That one.
So for blinds, everyone doesn't know Braille script and all. So they want to read the newspaper and all.
so that is possible. With the speaker, it is
Yeah,
possible.
it is possible. So it will describe if a car is present in front of us, then
It
it
will
will
describe.
describe how
It
it is
describes.
looks.
Yeah.
That is okay.
Yeah, that
Here,
I
second one. When you like taste, like sense organs are there, right? Taste, as sir said, it should come from or that communication should be from brain. Okay, it will show. Okay, as you said, 3D technology. Rise glass can present it as a biryani. Okay, so it is to our eyes. That feeling will come. So you can communicate to the brain. Now, second thing challenge is taste. Taste, brain will identify that it is not biryani.
Now this artificial, this reality, virtual reality will be completely, a big machine like here.
Correct.
So you will be able to see the food to eat.
The AI which you are talking about.
No, we could see the things we want to eat.
No, but how do
See,
we
it
eat?
is
We
like
need to-
transparent.
Yeah.
See, 3D, have you seen
Like
this one?
change, it
Augmented
will show.
glasses you've seen? Augmented reality glasses? You have to wear that. It is there in our computer science lab. If you see, it is not transparent.
That's what.
No, it will show like we are eating. It will, no.
So,
will reflect
see, correct, transparent glasses, how it will show it?
It will show like the biryani.
Okay, simple thing. Now here, there is boiled rice and fish curry. Okay, and you should get a feeling that you are eating biryani. So in the glass you have to wear, no, anyway. So when you wear, now you want to add fish to this, you have to search for the fish, because what glasses, what as per my knowledge, it is completely blocked and you are getting a feeling. Picture from here only. But how to transform this boiled rice into that biryani? You may get a feeling there by looking into that. But you should see what you eat also, right? Otherwise you are also like a blind, you are just eating, you don't know where is the pickle or where is this.
No, it will show that there's food in our table and it's like a biryani.
And it will sense all, and it has some detectors which will detect the change in the normal values, and it has some materials which can be read the values orally. We can hear. If some old age people can't listen the values or can't see the values, at that time they can listen the values by this kit. And this kit is by devising it into a device in the form of a kit, it will help us to monitor the blood pressure, blood sugar level, diabetes, etc. If any further more studies done, we can add cholesterol detecting devices also. So in the present era, old age people, along with the old age people, young age people are also dying due to this heart attack, hypertension. So by developing these devices, they can easily access to the devices, because sometimes due to lack of time they didn't get tested to all the issues because of lack of time, or they might have one device and they are lack of other devices, and sometimes they can't go to doctors also. During that time they can use it in home also. It can be delivered to the home, or in the pharmacies if it is available means they can be take it from the pharmacy and can use in the home easily. So this device is helpful.
So what is the size of the device?
Sir,
Flying device? Size.
normal.
See, these things now smartwatches are doing, right? So what is the use, what is the requirement here to have
Sir, it will
another
be like
device?
one small kit.
Hmm.
It will do all the.
No, what I was saying is BP,
BP,
sugar,
sugar,
pulse, everything.
most of the smartwatches or smart devices are
when
doing
it can be done like this. Why do we require
big
additional
size?
Sir, this
See, if
will
I
give
want to
accurate
carry-
value, sir. That will be give some
So you mean to
values
say that
very-
whatever smartwatches are there, that is not accurate?
Sir, sometimes they will give very values.
Okay, have you done any prototype?
No, sir. Just we thought of doing it.
Idea only, idea stage.
Right.
as it is innovation. We just
So how it is different from the existing device?
like existing device, we have to go for separate. For BP manometer, we have to use glucometer like that. But in this device, at a time, it will give all the values. It will be having one connector. If we connect that to our
So
hands,
it will talk about blood also, blood related.
Yes, sir.
So you have to put blood sample, right?
no
Do
sir.
we have to take the blood sample or it will automatically?
By connecting, sir, automatically.
You don't
It will
have
have
to
some sensors.
take the blood sample at all.
No sir. By sensors, it will be
How
connected.
without taking blood it will do analysis?
Sir, some sensors will be there. Sir. Some technologies will develop.
If sensor can do that now, why it is not invented?
Sir, it's
Because
studies,
most of the watches also use sensor only.
but studies have to done now.
Okay.
Any such device is there without taking blood, which is giving any reading? Till now,
Not there. That
isn't.
only.
Till now, no device.
No devices.
Have you studied why it was not done so far? Is there any challenges in your study? Did you find any reason?
Because in medical field it is difficult. Without blood and all, we can't test the cholesterol level and all. If we include technology,
Hey, this
in this
heartbeat, all these things. No. It is like based on sensor they can predict. Okay. Because external things. Blood is internal analysis. So without blood, taking blood out of the body, how we can do analysis is a concern.
that further studies have to done. This we just thought of doing for.
She is thinking to do two innovation. One is all she is bringing in
Yes,
single.
one
this.
single. That is good. That,
Okay.
that is required.
Okay. Then again without taking blood.
Blood. Then all this, again, size also matters. Okay, now people prefer nano. Okay, small things. That is why all this, if you see BP checking machine, all these things, sizes are getting reduced. Clear? So now people prefer watch, even in hospitals also. So old traditional devices are exchanged. It is changed with the new things, new small one, digital things. That also comes. When I see your box, it looks like big box. Okay. I have to carry this machine to my office every time. I have to check my BP. Carrying additional box to my office every day, difficult task for me. That is one of the concerns. Good.
Out there, things we will. If some person is needed the medicine in 1 hour of duration, nowadays we have Tata One Energy, NetMed, and Apollo app, which take 3 days of duration. Maximum will take 7 days of duration to reach the medicine. So this app will help to reach the medicine within 1 hour of duration to that specific person. So a normal pharmacy app like Tata One Energy, maximum take first they analyze, they take the order whatever they then send the data to their office, and they usually after sending the data they will call us. As I observe, as how I use the Tata One Energy, I observe they called us, then they confirm the prescription, they will select that and they will then confirm the order and they will send it, and it will take maximum 7 days. 7 to 4 days, but 7 to 4 days they take maximum. So this app about National Medical, it will when we log in that app, we will just first check the order from your mobile. Okay, then we just need to click the picture of that prescription. After clicking that prescription photo, we will it will analyze properly and it will send the nearest pharmacy shop, and it will after that sending the pharmacy shop. It will analyze and within 1 hour of duration it will be sending that medicine to the specific
So
person.
here they don't confirm with the patients.
For confirmation.
Like say here they call and confirm because it's the medicine. Okay. At most here they should say. That is why they
Run.
It's whether
For this we have like feedback also.
And one more concern is this tagline 24/7 support. Okay, customer gets support, you will get. Okay, but what if, for example, if the patient call at 10 p.m. night, they need medicine. So, do you think that Indian that medical setup, especially our area, if you consider, most of the medical they shut their they put their shutter at 9, 10. Okay, average is 9. Rural area and semi-urban area, it is 8:30. They will close. So, how you are ensuring it within 1 minute?
First, we will connect it to be that who are like 24/7 on. Like there are example Ganesh and Raja Medical. Mostly they have on after.
But they are operating in few places only. For example, they operate in Mangalore.
Yeah.
Okay. Person like me who is in Nadupadu. Okay. I am ordering medicine. Okay. Mangalore I have to order. They have to check all these things. How much time it will take?
It will go
So
beyond
whether
my
your
timing.
tagline.
It will go beyond my timing, but still it's the initial state as I said.
Then you should put star mark here.
But as the initial, we'll take feedback and we'll.
Time it is okay.
Daytime it's fine.
Yeah, okay. No, that only. It should be star mark. Okay, within hour, when you justify, when you say that it is within 1 hour, it must be.
Daytime it will be assured within 1 hour, and night time will.
Star mark is for that only.
This should be 4, 5, 6.
No, actually, this is why that only I am asking. When this process is done here, why this is LTPC?
So this is the end, right? Customer receives medicine. That is mentioned as the 4th step.
If you are also again,
5, 6, 6. Yes. 4, 5, 6. Order.
Yes,